Hi, my name is David Susilo and welcome to David Susilo Unscripted. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's start a very short video right now. A couple of weeks ago, I received a box from JVC Canada. And now let's see what's inside. In the box, I found two sets of earbuds, one in starburst finish and the other one in piano finish. They are both made of wood, including the cone. Yes, you heard it right. Even the cone, the driver inside the earbuds, they are made of wood as well. And just to brag a little bit, I'm the first reviewer of these earbuds. So after taking some videos and photos of this unit, today I'm going to test and review these earbuds. First, the naming convention with a name that's difficult to remember. It's called HA-FW5100T. They cost around 450 Canadian dollars or around 300 US dollars. Let me just start from the beginning. It sounds great. I like it, although some people may not like it. The reason being, it's very neutral. There is no excitement, there is no bombastic bass. Testing them using my own recording, the sound quality is not better or worse than my actual recording. Everything is produced as is, perhaps due to the hybrid wood driver. Yes, you heard it right, it's using wood. On the app, you can choose several modes, and I like the professional mode number 1. It sounds very neutral, tuned by JVC studio engineers. I don't know whether you know it or not, but JVC owns Victor Studio, and for the past several decades, it's deemed to be the top reference recording studio, pretty much like Air Studios and Abbey Road Studios in London. And of course, obviously, it utilizes JVC's K2 technology. And what is K2 technology? Just read what I post on the screen. And outside of sound quality, there are 3 more things that I actually love. Number 1, wireless charging. Number 2, a real-life 30 hours playback time. And number 3, self-healing finish. So if you have minor scratches on the earbuds, it will eventually smooth out the scratches. So if you want professional sound quality, professional sound tuning, you will love these earbuds. But if you're looking for something that sounds like Beats Audio, well, go and buy Beats Audio.